peculiar. Meaning, strange or unusual. Synonyms: odd, unusual, weird. Examples: he has a peculiar habit of waking up early. He is an odd player. She is weird. Lapse. Meaning, a temporary failure or mistake. Synonyms: slip, error, oversight. Examples: he made a lapse in judgment during the meeting. It was just a slip, don't worry. The accountant admitted the error in the report. Garlanding. Meaning, decorating with a wreath or chain of flowers. Synonyms: decorating, adorning, festooning. Examples: they were garlanding the statue for the festival. She was decorating the hall beautifully. The team adorned the trophy with flowers. Rebuked. Meaning, scolded or criticized sharply. Synonyms: scolded, reprimanded, chastised. Examples: the teacher rebuked the student for being late. He was scolded for forgetting the assignment. The manager reprimanded him for the mistake. Props. Meaning, objects used on stage or in filming. Synonyms: support, accessories, aids. Examples: the actor used various props during the play. The teacher used aids to explain the lesson. She bought decorative accessories for the event.